In this video I will show you how to automatically send reminder emails based on due dates stored in an Excel file in SharePoint using Power Automate. We will use a scheduled recurrence trigger that runs every day at 6 a.m., reads all the rows from the Excel file, checks if a due date matches today or is already overdue, and sends a reminder email automatically. As an example, we will use a simple test Excel file with a description, priority and department column, a due date column, and an email column. In this example, the email column only contains my own email address for testing, but in your own table you would simply fill in the actual responsible person for each row. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open Power Automate and create a new flow. Click on Create in the left menu. Choose Scheduled Cloud Flow. Give your flow a name, for example Daily Due Date Reminder. In this example we set the repeat to 1 day, and set the start time to 6 a.m. Click Create to open the flow editor. Step 2. Add the list rows present in a table action. Click on New Step and search for Excel Online Business. Select the action called List Rows Present in a Table. Set the location to SharePoint, select your site, your document library, and then select your test Excel file. Finally, select the table inside the test Excel file. This action will retrieve all the rows from your table every time the flow runs. Step 3. Add an Apply to Each loop. Click New Step and search for Apply to Each. In the Select an Output field, click in the box and select Value from the dynamic content. This will make the flow loop through every single row in your test Excel file one by one. Step 4. Add a condition to check the due date inside the Apply to Each loop. Click Add an Action and search for Condition. In the left field of the condition, click on Expression and type the expression as shown on screen. This converts the Excel date serial number into a real date and formats it as year, month, day. Set the operator to is less than or equal to. This means the flow will send a reminder for tasks that are due today as well as tasks that are already overdue. One important thing to keep in mind is that every row in your Excel table must have a due date filled in. If a cell is empty, the int function will not be able to convert it and the flow will give an error for that row. In the right field, also click on Expression and type the expression as shown on screen. This formats today's date in exactly the same way. Step 5. Send a personalized reminder. In the True branch of the condition, click Add an Action and search for Send an Email v2. In the To field, do not type a fixed address. Instead, click into the field and select the email column from the dynamic content list, so each row sends its reminder to the correct recipient automatically. For the subject, type something like Upcoming Deadline. In the body, write a friendly reminder message and use dynamic content to add the description, priority and department from your Excel row. For the due date field, do not use the raw dynamic content value because that will show the Excel serial number again. Instead, click on Expression and use the same due date expression as shown on screen, so it displays as a readable date in the email. Step 6. Save and test the flow. Click Save in the top right corner. Then click Test, select Manually and click Test again. Click Run Flow to trigger it right away. In this example we are testing on today, June 28, 2026, so the condition checks for any due date on or before today. The rows for June 26th, 27th, and 28th all match, so each sends a reminder email. For testing they all use my email address, so I receive all three. Check the run history and inbox to confirm they were sent. Open your run history to verify that the condition was evaluated correctly for each row and that the emails were sent for all matching due dates. You have now built a fully automated daily reminder flow that reads a test Excel file in SharePoint, checks for due dates that match today or are already overdue, and sends a reminder email automatically every morning at 6 a.m. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and make sure to subscribe so you never miss a new tutorial.